In this video, we're going to take a look at another offering from Yum Yum, the Carnivore Club. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name is Brian. Thanks for joining me. So, I don't know about you, but I am a confirmed carnivore. I like meat. Tasty dead animals. That's right. So the folks at Carnivore Club are right up my alley. If you're not familiar, Carnivore Club is a monthly subscription service where every month they will send you meat, in this case cured meats, typically from small batch artisan producers. If you're interested in learning more about Carnivore Club, there will be a link in the video description, maybe a discount. But I'm interested in checking out what they sent me this month, so let's get down to the old stump top and get to doing some of that carnivore stuff. This video is brought to you by the folks at My Patriot Supply, where for a limited time you can get a great deal on their 2 or 4 week emergency food kits at preparewithbrian.com. These kits feature delicious 100% USA grown and packed food with a 25-year shelf life. As you can imagine, the demand for these kits is extremely high right now, but My Patriot Supply is still honoring the discounted price and filling all orders on a first-come, first-served basis. To secure your place in line, go to preparewithbrian.com. Okay, so here we are down the old stump top, and before I open this up, I want to just kind of let you know that not only do they have the monthly subscription offering, they have a lot of other offerings too. I encourage you to go check out their website. They really do have some. They've got special packs, they've got snack packs, they've got just all kinds of cool stuff on there. If you like meat, I think you'll like the Carnivore Club. So anyway, let's see what is in this month's batch. So this is La Quercia. And I think that is those are the people that make them. So let's see what we got here. And I'm gonna move this out of the way right now so you can. We got room on the stump top for the stuff. So first item is some prosciutto. I don't know how you say that. I'm not Italian, but it's some prosciutto. It's made with pork raised without antibiotics, and it is rich and nutty with silky texture. Ideal for picnics, road trips, or adding a tasty boost to a workday lunch. No nitrates. I really like the no nitrate thing. That's one of the things I like about the Carnivore Club is most of their meats are no nitrate. Next, they have some smoked prosciutto, which is smokiness that is light and inviting, so it does not interfere with the natural sweetness of the meat. Best served with fresh fruits like peaches, melon, or fig, and paired with a strong flavored cheese. So there's that. And then finally, they have some spicy prosciutto. It's flavored by rubbing down a full leg of prosciutto with a balanced blend of fennel, sea salt, and red chilies that deepen the meat's earthy sweetness. I mean, obviously, I'm reading that. So then they have some rustic, spicy salami sticks, which are semi-dry and lightly cured, perfect for on-the-go snacking, loaded with high-quality energy. And these have no nitrates. That's cool too. Then they have this sausage here, which is a Borsalino. It's mild and meaty with just a touch of fennel, and it is also nitrate free. And then finally, last but certainly not least, they have the La Quercia honey and garlic salami. It's a salami chub in the Italian-American tradition, meat forward with a hint of garlic and black pepper with a buttery texture. So created with the kitchen in mind, wonderful on a sandwich or layered on a pizza. So, you know we got to eat something, right? Okay, I got 15 minutes of battery left on my camera, so we're gonna eat something quick. We're gonna go with the spicy salami sticks because should be quick and simple. I'm gonna open this bad boy up here with my good old Spyderco knife. Pop one out. Let's have a look at that. Okay, that was pretty good. Now let's see what it tastes like. That's good. It's not too spicy. I don't like really super spicy stuff, but the texture is just chewy enough, but not super dry. It does have a little bit of heat in it though. Sticks falling. A little bit of residual heat too, like back in my throat. Okay, maybe it's a little spicier than I thought, but it's good. So, my battery's about to go dead. I'm gonna wrap this up. I wanted to try some of this Borsalino, and I will, but I'll have to try that off camera. I'm not supposed to be talking with a mouthful, I know. So anyway, I'll stop. Again, this is the Carnivore Club. I invite you to check them out. I'll put a link in the video description below. If there's any coupons or discounts, they'll be there also. Once again, thanks to the folks at Carnivore Club for sending me this so I can check it out and show it to you and munch down a little bit. And as always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a new video every Friday and Saturday, sometimes random videos throughout the week. If you want to make sure you don't miss a single one, because YouTube has been pretty slack about notifying people about videos, myself included, I invite you to go to survivalonpurpose.com/subscribe. Sign up for my weekly email newsletter. Every week I'll send you an email with all that week's videos in it, maybe some other news and information, and possibly some like subscriber-only offers and deals and contests. Anyway, I really appreciate your support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident. So be prepared and eat.